Before learning from practical examples, let's understand some frequently used terminology in SQL. In this lecture, we will understand what is DBMS and RDBMS. DBMS, the full form of DBMS is Database Management System. DBMS is a program. By using it, you can interact with the databases to store, modify, and extract the data. In other words, a database management system is a program or system software for creating and managing databases. The database serves as an interface between the database and application programs or users. The DBMS gives application and users a systematic way to create, read, update, and manage the data. The DBMS manages three important things: the data, the database engine. Database engine is a system for storing and retrieving the data. And third is the database schema, that is database logical structure. There are mainly 5 types of database management systems: RDBMS, Relational Database Management System; NoSQL DBMS; In-Memory Database Management Systems; IMDBMS; Columnar Database Management System CDBMS; Cloud-Based Database Management System. In this course, we will mainly focus on Relational Database Management System, that is RDBMS. The most popular database management systems are MySQL, Oracle, SQL Server by Microsoft, PostgreSQL, and IBM's DB2. RDBMS. The full form of RDBMS is Relational Database Management System. A relational database management system is actually a database management system used to manage relational databases. And a relational database is the database that follows relational model as invented by E.F. Code. RDBMS is the basis for SQL and all modern database systems. RDBMS stores data in the form of related tables. An important feature of relational system is that single database can be spread across several tables. Don't worry if you are not getting the concept at this moment. We will be working on some practical examples later in this course, where we will design and use relational databases.